Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Filmmakers and lovers gathered at the University of the West Indies on Saturday for the GATFest Film Festival 2018 opening night gala and the premiere of the South African film Hear Me Move. Hear Me Move is the first South African dance film which was released back in 2015.
As you know, GATFest is a short film festival which celebrates the filming achievements of young people from communities across Jamaica. This year, based on the High Commission's excellent relations with the University of the West Indies and its Centre for Tourism and Policy Research, South Africa has been provided with an opportunity to tell one part of the story, which has themes relating and relevant to the challenges facing the youth in our societies and our communities.
Hear Me Move is based on the son of a famous street dancer who is in pursuit to find the truth about his father's death. He teams up with his father's dance partner, Shoes, who encourages him to take heed of his dance talent but finds himself in a challenge that pushes him to his limit. The film was directed by Scottness L. Smith and produced by Fiden Namisi. The opening night also entailed a panel discussion on the film.
And I know dance and music is integral to not only South Africa but also Jamaica. And I feel as if Hear Me Move was a way that low-income, marginalized communities and members could come together to express themselves, find a way to express themselves, to express culture, to represent culture.
The film has received 5 nominations at the 12th Africa Movie Academy Awards, including awards for Most Promising Actor, Best Supporting Actress, Best Soundtrack, Best Editing, and Best Visual Effects. As the expectations continue to grow for the 6th staging of GATFest, this week we'll see a lot of exciting film-related activities and events happening across Kingston and Montego Bay, including workshops to be conducted by filmmakers from Colombia.
On Tuesday, June 19th, we'll have our International Film Night.
GATFest was created as an outlet for graduates of the UWI Community Film Project to showcase the films that were produced during the training course. Now, on the international scene, American rapper XXXTentacion was shot and killed yesterday during an apparent robbery in Broward County, Florida. Reports are that the 20-year-old rapper was leaving a motorsports store when 2 men allegedly in a dark-colored SUV shot and killed him in an apparent robbery. XXXTentacion is best known for the breakout single Look at Me, which brought him to fame back in 2016. In March, he released a new album, ? The album peaked at #1 on the Billboard Albums chart. The single Sad also peaked at #7 on the Hot 100. XXXTentacion was also featured in XXL Magazine's 2017 freshman class alongside other up-and-coming artists. CNN reported that at the time of his death, he was awaiting trial for domestic violence involving his pregnant girlfriend. XXXTentacion has been under house arrest for quite some time while he was awaiting trial on battery and harassment charges. The entertainment fraternity, both locally and internationally, took to social media to send condolence to the rapper's family, including Shenseea, Sizzla Kalonji, Kanye West, J. Cole, Diplo, Travis Barker, among others. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.